मैं हूं आपके साथ यास्मीन। करण जौहर की मल्टी स्टारर फिल्म कलंक का आज फाइनली टीजर रिलीज हो गया है। पिछले कुछ दिनों से इस फिल्म की कई झलक सामने आ रही थी, जिसके बाद से ही फैंस को फिल्म के टीजर का काफी इंतजार था। टीजर में एक्टर्स की झलक लोगों को काफी हैरान करने वाली है। टीजर में एक एक करके सभी स्टार्स के किरदार को दिखाया गया है। सबसे पहले माधुरी दीक्षित सामने आती हैं, जो डांस करती नजर आ रही हैं। वरुण धवन मैदान में खून में नहाए हुए दिखते हैं। उन्हें देखकर एहसास हो जाता है कि उन्होंने अपनी बॉडी बनाने में कितनी मेहनत की है। इसके अलावा आदित्य रॉय कपूर दूल्हे के लिबास में और आलिया दुल्हन के लिबास में दिखती हैं, लेकिन आदित्य बेबस नजर आते हैं। वहीं संजय दत्त अकेलेपन में जीते दिखाई दे रहे हैं। सोनाक्षी सिन्हा भी सहमी और रोती नजर आ रही हैं। टीजर के अंदर जो भी सेट्स हैं वो काफी ग्रैंड लेवल पर दिखाए गए हैं, जो आपके दिलों को छू जाएंगे। इतना ही नहीं, टीजर में कुछ सीन्स ऐसे हैं जो आपके रोंगटे खड़े कर देते हैं। वहीं कलंक के बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक ने हर एक सीन में जान सी भर दी है। कलंक के टीजर से आप कहानी का सिर्फ अंदाजा ही लगा सकते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें सिर्फ 2 ही डायलॉग हैं, जहां पहला डायलॉग वरुण का है, वहीं दूसरा डायलॉग आलिया का है। अभिषेक वर्मन के डायरेक्शन में बनी कलंक का टीजर वाकई में शानदार है। बता दें कि ये फिल्म 19 अप्रैल को रिलीज हो रही थी, लेकिन मेकर्स ने अब इस फिल्म को 17 अप्रैल को रिलीज करने का ऐलान किया है। अगर आपने अभी तक फिल्म कलंक का टीजर नहीं देखा है तो अभी जाकर देखिए और हमें कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं कि आपको ये टीजर कैसा लगा।
So this is us, and apart from this, and which we will share with you at the trailer, we have a solid team. That is the reason why Kalank stands tall. The writing team, I see Shibani in the house, of course Preetam Da, Binod, Amrita, the entire team that has led to this film. All of them have worked literally like hours put together, but all of those people know that you live in our hearts and will continue to do so. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the team of Kalank. And I'm going to begin by, before I open it at the house, just a quick word that everyone in the lead cast has to say. Madhuri, we're going to start, of course, with you. What does it feel like to just be a part of our journey, part of Kalank, and just part of what has happened and what you've seen?
I think it's been wonderful being a part of this journey. Because I'm working with Karan, Dharma Films, and of course, my director, Abhishek. I think he's one of the finest persons I've ever met, and he's so good on the set. So he's always dukhi, because, because to please him is very difficult. And when he has a shot right, you see, when you give a right shot, you see a big smile on his face. So it's been very hard to please him. But apart from that, I think it's been a great journey to work with all of them. Such good actors, and it's just been marvelous for me. I've thoroughly enjoyed it.
Fantastic. Thank you, Madhuri, and thank you for always being there. Thank you. Sanju, like I said right in my intro, you've been part of our family since I can remember. Literally, I think that some of my most emotional childhood moments have you in them. How does it feel now to like life completes a complete circle, and now with Kalank?
Well, you know how close I was with your father, and it's always a pleasure working with Dharma, and to see you grow like that. I'm so proud of you, Karan, and to work with Varun and Sonakshi and Adi and Alia, and most of all, ma'am, Madhuri ji. After so many years, and I really enjoyed this journey, and I just want to be a part of Dharma all the time. Thank you.
Thank you, Sanju, and we love you. Sonakshi, this, as I said, is, after giving me that Filmfare Award, I mean, life has been so beautiful for you as well. You grew from strength to strength. And now, when I see visuals of you in the film, it just makes my heart feel like proud that this was the little girl who I met on stage and now I see on screen. How has Kalank been for you?
Well, it makes my heart also really proud to be a part of this beautiful film, this magnum opus that Mr. Abhishek Varman has helmed so beautifully. Look at this. I'm standing next to the most stellar cast, such fine actors to work with and be seen in the same film with. So, life set there.
Adi, your third film with us, and of course, you know, we have a solid producer team here as well, and a director who's apparently hard to please. What was your experience on the sets of Kalank?
Yeah, hard to please is right.
Yeah.
But that's a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's been a pleasure to work with Dharma again, Karan. It's always been a wonderful experience, and this one has been the same. Always so well taken care of, and I think that comes from the top. So thank you again for a great experience. And yeah, I fell in love with the script when Abhi came to me with it, and I always felt that he always had a really clear vision for the film in his head, and that's how I felt on set every day. The way he guided, I think, all of us through it was made the experience amazing because of his clarity of thought. So all in all, it's been wonderful.
Thank you, Adi. And you look solid on screen, I have to say. Like, amazing. Amazing, if I can say so myself. Alia, I lost count. What number film is this? You're counting, I'm sure you are.
What number film this
Yes,
is? I
yes.
think it's the 9th.
It's the 9th
Yeah.
film. So we know how lucky 9 is, at least for Akshay Kumar, I remember that. I hope it's lucky for us as well. Alia, I know when you heard Kalank really right at the beginning, and you having been close to Abhi, it was something that initially you were part of, even when it was being nurtured. And now when you see it all come together, how does it feel? Oh God, here goes. These are the...
Firstly, I have to ask on Abhi's behalf. He wants to know if he can sit.
No, you can't. Just stand fine. He's like
Firstly-
me, we like to keep low profile, you know.
Firstly, I have to say that, I mean, just sharing the stage with all these wonderful people, actors, artists, like human beings, it just feels really surreal. So thank you, Abhi, for bringing us all together. Thank you, Karan. Thank you, Sajid sir. Thank you, everybody, for making this happen. Genuinely, I'm going to try very hard to be a little bit normal, but it's very difficult because I have a lot of love for my director and for my friend, and he's put in a lot of effort and hard work into making this film happen. And every time I see this, any visual or even right now watching this, it's really surreal. And I just have to say that he's the nicest, most amazing human being in the world. He is so nice that I just wish that this film, of course we all wish for ourselves, but I really wish that it kills it. Mostly and mainly only for him, because he's a lovely, lovely person and he deserves all the success and love in the world. Now I'm going to stop talking because my makeup will get ruined.
Varun, you've been... So just like Alia, Abhi was on the sets of your very first feature film. He was on the sets as a creative director on Student of the Year. He was standing there helping us all make that film. And before that on My Name is Khan, he was an AD with you.
No, actually, first of all, kaise aap sab log? So I've actually come back to India after some time, so just want to wish all of you all the members of the media, including Karan, since you are also a member of the media now.
Yeah.
How are you? But okay, this aside, I'm not going to do this. But I have to say this film is so damn special to me because one, it's being produced by people who are so close to me. In my childhood, I remember Sajid sir very, very vividly. I've seen him on sets with dad always, and I always dreamt that one day he'd produce a film with me. I was very small, but I would have this dream. And this is my third film with him today. With Karan, I think he's part of my family. He's my everything. I feel safe when I'm around him because I know he's going to have my back no matter what. But the biggest reason to do this film is Abhishek Varman. During My Name is Khan, when I was a AD, I was not a very good AD. My roommate was Abhishek. And he just was like, you know, why don't you iron your clothes and go to set? So every morning he used to iron my t-shirts, my shirts, my jeans, and just would tell me to be a little bit more tidy and to get my life together because he would worry about me then. But I have to say he had my back then and he has my back now. And I'm just so damn proud of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, everyone has, of course, had these experiences, and of course, the experience will be shared with us, with everybody next month. And we're going to open this up to a few questions because I think everyone has said their bit. But of course, because we consider you a part of our own and our family, we'd like to, of course, share this day with all of you. And if any of you have questions, and I say these 4 words with a great amount of respect related to the film, then we would be happy to kind of take them.